guys, it's me, Mama, the Princess Vanity. Welcome to the PV Squad. Actually, hello, the PV Squad. So, today, Princess Vanity is PV, stands for Princess Vanity. Welcome back to my channel. And let's go. It's Princess Vanity, guys. Put a crown on the princess. Okay, so that's my intro now. So, I haven't made my intro yet. So, guys, if you're watching my channel right now, if you're watching this video right now, you're so great. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I'll be liking all of your comments too. So, yeah. I just made the slime and now it's getting bubbly. Let me just fix it. See, it's kind of weird. It smells like nail polish because I made the colorway nail polish. Because I didn't want to use my red paint that I have a little bit of. And then I didn't want to make blue slime or green or yellow slime. I wanted to make pink. My red paint is actually like a pinkish. It turns out pink. But I don't think it would have turned out pink clear though. But still, I didn't want to use it. You're great people. Oh wait, guys, yeah. Here's the little shout out. So in every video, I'm going to be doing the shout out to this person, but I'll be doing it different people. But this person, I'm going to be doing her all the time, but I'm also going to do two people. I'm going to do her and then someone else, but the someone else is going to be different people every time. But she's going to be there every time. So because she's my big cousin and she's 18. I think she's 18, and I think she's 19 or something. I don't know, but her name is June, but her name on YouTube, I think that's her real name, Adi. It's A-D-R-I. Go subscribe to her channel, comment, and then once you comment here that you did subscribe and commented and liked her video, I'll definitely give you a like and I'll give you a shout out. All I gotta say is you like my videos, subscribe, and you turn on the notification bell. You'll get notified every time I post a video. You'll get the notification. So just turn on those notification bells and like my videos. And once you say you liked her videos and my videos, and you subscribe to her videos and my videos, and once you commented on her videos and my videos, you'll definitely get a like on your comment from me, and you'll definitely get a shout out. Yeah. I'm trying to get this video to 300 likes or 100. If you guys can do that, then you guys will definitely get a shout out. Welcome to my house. Does this look the same? This is exactly the same slime, just I just kneaded this slime, and it feels exactly the same. So you have to have muscles to play with this slime. I just made it and don't really like it that well. All done. Guys, comment down below if you like my videos. Guys, if you like my videos, you will also get a shout out. If you comment that you like my videos. And I think we can move it now. I don't know. Maybe. probably like, that's a Samsung charger? No, it just has a Samsung bottom piece. Welcome to my house, baby. Welcome to my house. Need to find a container for that hard thing. I'm gonna find a container for it. I'm just gonna put it in here for now. It's probably gonna become hard probably tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe. Snap. It's gonna fall. If I stand here. Just right here. I was gonna do like a little review of my slime so you guys can check them out, because you guys have seen my video from a year ago with my slimes, right? But all those containers, everything is gone. I have brand new slimes made from me. Not all of them, but some of them. Because all the ones last time was probably not even made all from me, but they were all made, like half of them was all made from me. Like this one, but like, yeah. This one smells good. It smells like a lotion. It's really strong smell. That's why I did a little face, because it's a strong smell. I was like, where did that smell come from? It smells so good. It's a lotion smell, because I was putting lotion in it. I think I put it's a jumbo slime. I need it or something. And even if I put a little bit of color inside of it, it's still white. Look at it. It's still white, guys. I've tried my best. You can't even see the glitter. I can't even see the glitter. Even if it's not in the camera, you can't even see the glitter. Where the heck did the glitter go? There's no glitter. I don't see anything. So, this one is really big. It makes really good bubbles too. I'm gonna do an ASMR video, guys, soon. I did 3 videos in a row today. I might do an ASMR video today. Welcome to my house, baby. We can go. We can even go. We can go. Welcome to Oh, in the last video, if I said that you guys were gonna see my sister in that video, sorry that you guys couldn't. I just didn't go upstairs, and I did stop the video really early because my mom interrupted. I said if though, I said it because I don't even remember. See? Pop up. Okay, comment down below if you subscribed and liked and commented on my cousin's channel, Adi, or on my channel, Vanity or Destiny Cruz. I'll send me, and the link is going to be in the bio below or in the description. That's going to be in my description. So, yeah. The link. I didn't put actually in my mouth. I just did this. It touched my lips. It's not in my mouth, guys. Kidding. It's a magic trick that I learned because my brother showed me. if you know. He's gonna be in some of my videos. He had his own little video, dancing video, and he hurt himself in my video. Guys, and also my TikTok is going to be in the bio in the description. So go to the description, because not a lot of people look at the description. Okay, so this time we're done playing with, and yeah. Alright, let's put it right here. It doesn't fit in my little drawer, so I keep it like right there. Oh, this one's really good. It's a metallic. Okay, guys, come look. Oh, snap, oh, snap, oh, snap, oh, snap, oh, snap. Sorry, guys. Little situations going on here. Okay, see, the light is better now. Go see the metallic. Ooh, look at that shine, look at that shine. Really nice and stretchy. Can't wait till I get my camera for this. And I don't have to use a phone anymore. Shine it on me. Okay. See the metallic shine to it. Okay, let's like move this. My eyes are hurting now. There we go. Okay, better. Welcome to my house, baby controller. We can even go out. Baby controller, we can even go out. Okay, it's over playing with this one. I think it was maybe clear glue and this metallic makeup thing I had. I feel like if I take the slime out, everything's gonna drop. Come on. Are you serious? A big slime. It needs to move over so it won't fall anymore. I'm just like drawing the back so they don't fall. At least they don't fall. If they do fall, then I don't know. There's so much slime in there that I can't even fit any more slime. This is thick. I forgot. This slime is a thick one. But it reminds me of throw up for like, it always reminds me of throw up, and I always have to throw up because like it's so thick and chunky. See the chunks on it in it? There's little balls though. They're little balls, little blue balls. You can see the blue if you can. The camera's not really focusing, but can you see the blue? Okay, this is serious. I'm serious, guys. I actually have to throw up. Like, you guys thought I was kidding? Like, I have to throw up. I'm serious. I'm not even playing. I really have to throw up. I'm done playing with this slime because I feel like if I play with any more slime, I'll have to take them out. And all the slimes that I want to play with is in the back. So, what should I do now? Okay, what we're going to do now is we're just going to check up on the pink slime, and then I'm going to do a video tomorrow, and you guys will see me tomorrow. And I'm doing it in the morning, so guys, if you think like I'm gonna wear the same thing, I literally took a shower, so like I literally just took a shower, so I'm not gonna take a shower tonight. I already did. I'm not gonna take a shower later because I already did. And yeah, so if you see me in the morning with the same clothes on, it's because I didn't take a shower yet. I might be having the same clothes on. I don't know. See you guys tomorrow, unless I do an ASMR video. See you guys tomorrow, or in a little while. Peace. Princess Vanity. Princess Vanity. Princess Vanity. Like and subscribe. Bye.